Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to mass delete Facebook posts. First, open your Facebook application on your phone. Once you get into your Facebook account, tap on People You May Know. After that, allow contact access to find people to follow and tap on the Continue button. Then, tap on the menu from the bottom right corner. From the menu, you will find your account settings and its details. Now from the menu, tap on Activity Log. After that, tap on your activity across Facebook. Then, you need to tap on the filters icon. Now, from here, tap on the dates option from the drop-down menu. After that, select your start and end date. By doing this, you will be able to see only the post of the dates you selected. Then, you will be able to see your deleted posts from here and in the recycle bin. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.